Hey there and welcome to Bug Eye Travel. Ever wanted to explore a lagoon? How about in the winter? Iceland is the place to go. Stick around to find out more. Go on a whale watching tour. The Icelandic waters are home to more than 20 species of whales, dolphins, and porpoises, ranging from small porpoises to the largest animals on Earth, blue whales. The most common species seen are minke whales and humpback whales. But while they certainly steal the show, you can also see birds native to Iceland, such as skuas, terns, guillemots, and even colorful puffins. Tours depart from three major locations: Reykjavik, Akureyri, and Húsavík. Húsavík is considered the whale capital of Europe due to the abundant animal traffic that passes through its fjords. Spend time at the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. In the southeastern part of Iceland, you will find Jökulsárlón, a glacier lagoon filled with large chunks of ice broken from surrounding Urava Merkújökull Glacier. It is brilliant and breathtaking. The ice chunks glitter on the lagoon, making it one of the best sights imaginable. Visit this beautiful landscape, admire the beauty, and click some great photographs, especially if you visit in May. You might even spot seals and other fishes in the lagoon during the winter. Explore Iceland's caves. From ancient lava tubes to ever-changing ice caves and mysterious manufactured caves, Iceland has plenty of underground adventures for all tastes. Due to geothermal heat or spring thaw, natural ice caverns form in Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier. This fleeting crystallized world of wonder can only be visited with experienced guides. Guided tours are offered at Vilhjálmur near Húsavík, Iceland's most significant lava cave, Vatnshellir on Snæfellsnes, and Lofthellir near Lake Mývatn. Hike up active volcanoes. There are approximately 130 volcanoes in Iceland, and eruptions occur every 3 years on average. In 1973, the inhabitants of Vestmannaeyjar, an archipelago off the southwest coast, barely escaped an eruption that started abruptly in their town, burying houses in lava and ash. One of these houses is the centerpiece of the museum Aldheimar. Legend says Hekla, the most active volcano in Iceland, is the entrance to hell, but it's been quiet since the year 2000. At 5,000 feet, Hekla provides an exciting and challenging hike with a panoramic view from the top. Are you enjoying the video so far? Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Have a night out in Reykjavik. What to do in Iceland at night? Go out. All the locals do it, always taking advantage of the opportunity to enjoy a few cold drinks before the night's end. That may be because beer was only legalized there on March 1st, 1989, now known as Beer Day. Or perhaps the eternal darkness that shrouds the country yearly has something to do with it. The center of Reykjavik is full of bars, coffee houses, restaurants, and social events. Most will see a decent mix of local Icelanders and visitors, providing a night of exciting conversation. Many establishments have a happy hour when drinks are offered at a discount, lasting at least 3 hours, to ease the stress on your wallet. See the northern lights and other celestial phenomena. If luck is on your side, green, purple, and red ribbons stream across the dark sky on a clear winter night. The northern lights are beautiful, powerful, and mesmerizing. You can feel how small you are under the shade of the celestial phenomena that dominates the heavens. Your best bet is to follow the forecasts. Settle down away from light pollution and be patient, or book a tour to increase your chances. Dettifoss Waterfall. Dettifoss Waterfall can be found in Vatnajökull National Park in the country's northeast. It is Europe's most powerful waterfall. Falling 144 feet from the Jökulsárlón River, the Dettifoss Waterfall crescendos with a mighty crash into Jökulsárlón Canyon below. The dramatic natural sight appeared in the opening scene of the sci-fi blockbuster Prometheus. Dettifoss Waterfall is one of the main stops on the Diamond Circle Tour, the northern counterpart of the famed Golden Circle. Alongside the Dettifoss Waterfall, visitors to the Diamond Circle will also visit Húsavík, Ásbyrgi Canyon, and Lake Mývatn. Drive along the Ring Road. Route 1, or the Ring Road, is approximately 807 miles long and connects Reykjavik with the second largest city of Akureyri. This road trip is excellent if you want to explore Iceland at your own pace. Following the Ring Road, you'll see this country's most stunning waterfalls, volcanoes, and other spectacular wonders. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, the beautiful Lake Mývatn, the Golden Circle Route, and Djúpalón Beach in Snæfellsjökull National Park, famous for its picturesque black sand beaches and creative rock formations. Also, this road goes through the Hvalfjörður Tunnel, almost 4 miles long, positioned 540 feet below sea level. Explore the black sand beach in Reynisfjara. Talking about black sand, resting 111 miles southeast of Reykjavik, this black sand beach at Reynisfjara is a majestic wonder of Iceland. The unique black color is due to basalt rocks broken down from surrounding Reynisfjara mountain. Adorned with massive basaltic outcrops rising amid the sea, rough Atlantic waves, and spectacular vistas, this black sand beach of Reynisfjara looks striking and beautiful. Strolling on this unconventional beach is fascinating and undeniably one of the best things to do in Iceland. Take a dip in the Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon is a natural outdoor spa filled with healing waters and exfoliating mud that will give you the relaxation and rejuvenation you've been yearning for. The Blue Lagoon was created by a pleasant mistake. A local geothermal power plant had a minor eruption when they accidentally drilled in the wrong lot a few years back. This drilling caused the hot spring to crack open. Ever since this fortunate accident, the Blue Lagoon has been a highly visited spot by tourists worldwide. The water is full of sulfur and the mud is rich in silica. This combination of the two is both healing and relaxing. Many bathe in the Blue Lagoon as an alternative treatment for psoriasis. What's going to be on your list for the first thing to do? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more travel videos of fantastic destinations worldwide. Be sure to check out my Iconic Islands playlist for even more inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.